And now we have to flip now!
Hi guys! Guys! Hello! Mag-decorate kami guys ng Halloween.
I like Halloween!
What?
I like Halloween and Christmas.
You like Halloween and Christmas. Guys, hindi na nakaanta yung anak ko. Nakita itong Christmas tree doon sa taguan. Nakita niya, wala, hindi na. Yun, pinaano na niya sa daddy niya. Pinalabas. So, wala na akong choice kasi nagkalat na dito sa bahay. Hindi ko lang makuha ng video. So, ayan. Inasimbol ko na, kaysa naman sa magkalat-kalat. So, ito na naman, nakita niya si Rinder. So, labas na lang yan. Pag hindi yan, oh. Pag hindi yan, guys. Git, kawi. Scissor. Pag hindi ito, guys, ilabas. Nako. Patuloy lang
I'm going to open it. There's a one.
Chusim. Oh.
There's a cover down.
Oh. Yan, guys.
Mommy, there's no walking with parents. That's a wrong way.
In here. Wow, it's a Christmas na si Hansok, si Rindo. What's his name?
Mommy, there's no walking with parents.
Why?
Because
Guys.
only kids for wagging. Only one for wagging now.
I will put it. Guys, tawag dito, yung anak ko kasi nilagnat kahapon. Tapos, pag
This is a one leg.
Yes, it's a long leg. Pag nag-ano siya ng ano niya, nasugatan, nilagyan niya ng ichitom. Guys, look, magde-decorate na kami ng Halloween. Ito guys, surprise ko sana to. So, nakita niya guys. Kasi gagawaan ko sana siya ng regalo pang Halloween na ano. Wala na, nandyan na, yan oh, nakalat na. So, samahan nyo kami guys, magkano kami ni Bibi Tot. What?
Only me for wagging now though.
Araso.
Because I had to send a message to my child to
guys, ayaw niyan patanggal. Sabi ko, tanggalin mo na yan. Ayaw niya. Uy. Sige guys, samahan nyo kami. Gagawa kami ng Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, Mommy. Happy Christmas.
Guys, gagawa na kami ng bandings. Ang tawag dito? What we call this one? What is this?
Don't forget Mickey Mouse right over here. That's a vampire.
Guys, ito na. May inumpisa na ako, guys. Ito.
That's not being for together.
Ito na. Dito na kami. So, what next? Letter P. Give me letter P. Kasi itong Bibi Tot, guys.
Then go for the spider.
Sakyan mo na pag ano. Kasi wala, kakalat ang masira.
I just see.
Another P. Give me another P. Dali. Hurry up. Guys, ngayon lang kami nagse-celebrate ng Halloween kasi si Bibi Tot na alam na niya pa. Ay, Hajima! Chamsima! Ay, go! Happy Halloween kami, guys. Ayan na, guys. Done na. So, ito yung scotch tape. Wala yung may scotch tape akong binawasan. Ewan ko saan naman nilagay yung dito. Hansok, help! Hansok ka tape. Juseo.
I'm going to
Yugo.
That's like a weird thing.
Cha.
I'm going to do it my own.
Yugo.
나 정말 맞았어!
Ayan, so?
Good.
Guys, ito na guys. Done na ang aming decoration. Ito lang guys. Happy Halloween. First time namin magganito-ganito guys kasi yung anak ko nagaganito sila sa school. Kaya gusto niya ma-fail. Gusto niya mag-decorate din daw dito sa bahay. So, yan. Pinagbigyan ko. Bumili ako ng ganyan. Tag 50 pesos lang naman to guys. Mura lang. So, what are you doing? So, ayan na guys. Yung surprise na sana namin kay Bibi Tot, kasi gagawa sana ako ng bag, yung bag na chocolate. Sus Maria, ako ang na-surprise. Kaya ayan, gumawa na siya guys, oh. Ako ang na-surprise guys, siya na ang gumawa. Ang kaloka. Imbis. Kaya ayan guys, gagawa na lang ako. No choice, ginawa na. Ay, wala ta akong surprise. Oh, the chocolate over there, get. Yan na guys, yung chocolate. Kuha niya yan. Yeah. Ayan, ito na guys, yung chocolate. Ito na guys, yung chocolate. Kinuha na ni Bibi Tot. Ay, go si Bibi Tot. Hindi na siya makaantay. Si Bibi Tot. O, ayan guys, gumagawa na si Hunsok ng sarili niyang gift. Kasi ako sana ang gagawa guys, pero alam mo naman pag ang Bibi Tot na natunugan.
The next one.
There's another chocolate. Here. Put inside here. This one. Oh, look. Chocolate yan guys.
But that.
Gumagawa siya guys. Wala, hindi na makaantay kasi.
Countdown is the game of the counting down on the panel or zero. When it was zero, it will
Ani, put inside first the chocolate. You have to remove this one. Not necessary. Oh, this one. Here. Bumili ako guys nito. Ngayon, nakita rin niya to. Lahat nakita niya guys. Ay, naku, lahat na tinataguan ko. Alam niya yan. Hindi na to surprise. This is not surprise. Oh. Ani, another chocolate over there. Over there. Open that. Open there. My chocolate. Oh, that one. Get. Okay, that's sunflower chocolate. Hala. This one. Guys, ayan, sunflower chocolate. Binili ko to kasi para sa Halloween ni Bebe. Tak. So, sit down over there. Oh, onso ka mandaro monjo. Oh, yun, ano, inside ka ta na igu. Kachi haji. Tsaba. Oh. Nips. Ama yan? Ano to? M and M. M. Oh. Cha. Oh. Igo to. This one guys is a sunflower seeds. Nakatikim na ba kayo nito? Sunflower seeds. Masarap to guys. Oh. Diba? Gawin mo muna to. Utok ka nung kaya igorok ni Mandaro. Oh. Oh. Tapos, ilagay na to. Itong chocolate. Itong ganyan, guys. Ay, baliktad pa. Happy Halloween. Igo. Ito na.
No, that is a mental.
This one.
No, then this.
Ayaw niya siya nagbubuot.
No.
Ay, wakay na. Pero kinalagan niya, no? Done! Ang gift namin kay Baby Tot sa Halloween. Diyo. Ay, go! Abujala! Yan, guys. First, done this one. Do not open, ha? I will open on during Halloween, okay? You just only display first, okay? Do you understand, my love?
Yes. This is only. This is mental
Some.
spots only.
Oh.
It's a mental spots only.
Huh?
It's a mental spots.
Mm.
Whoa. This is a are the same. Sunflower chocolate were the same to like and
Ay, man.
oh yeah.
Another one. Hello? Okay. Oh.
And now that's enough for it.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm helping you. Kinain na kasi niya, guys, yung ibang chocolate na pang Halloween. Kaya hindi na siya na-excite. Nakita niya kasi. I think it's over. Oh. Ito ang surprise sana namin kay Baby Tot. Ako ang na-surprise. O see, guys. Surprise sana namin sa aking mailala, Baby Tot. But, mami surprise. Juicy, nagaki.
Ande!
So, guys. Where? Oh.
Mommy, you can't.
Oh, put in this one. This is Halloween.
This is only a mental.
Ay, Yuki, katana. Kay Daddy. This is for Daddy. Yung Daddy like chocolate, right?
Yeah.
What about the Halloween chocolate? Put inside because I buy for this
But
for...
it was freeze.
No, only one freeze because of you. So let's open this. Let's open. Open na lang.
Only one is freeze.
How many of freeze?
It was turned into snow.
Oh man, lahat pala kasi guys. Ay, ayan na. Ayaw na niya
Turned
kasi.
into snow.
Ayaw niya kasi nagkano na hindi na maganda ang kalagayan. Hindi na maganda ang kalagayan na Ayaw niya ilagay. Hajimara, oras. Gumana yan. So, Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Ay, go! Joseo! Ay, siya. Oh, wakay na.
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! It turned into a weird shape. And it turned into flat.
Wakay na, guys.
And it's been turned into snow.
Alam mo nyo guys, nung pumunta yung tita ko, nagpabili siya ng ganito, kaya nalaman ko itong nung pumunta lang dito yung tita ko, si Auntie Inday. Shoutout sa'yo, Auntie Inday. Yun, sa kanya ko nalaman yung ganito. Kala ko kasi pambata lang to. Yung pala, sunflower seed, yung seeds ng sunflower, kinote ng mga, siya ng chocolate, kaya masarap pala. Kaya, yan.
Wait, what? Find the difference.
Oh, find the difference. This one is beautiful. It's the difference, right?
Yes, here.
So this is mine. Is this mine?
And I'll choose the difference.
Is this
This
mine?
looks more handsome.
Oh, really? Is that more handsome? What about
This
this?
looks like a rock star.
Okay, so ganon.
And this is going to be for Daddy.
That's for Daddy.
Yes, this is for you.
Thank you.
What? Try again. Which one do you want? Which one do you? Which one? Find the difference, Mommy. Find the difference.
I don't know.
Find the difference.
I don't know.
I told the same.
Yeah, I think.
Which one? I'll switch. Okay? Which one is the most? Which one is the difference?
I think I'm gonna pick one. So let me.
Mommy, that's wait. I haven't switched already.
It's finished. Oh man.
And not yet finished.
So it's finished.
Not yet. This is going to be wonderful.
Oh really? It's so wonderful.
Yeah. What I think this one needs to only what one is the difference?
Okay, so I need to choose. I think this one is
The middle?
the middle because the packaging is beautiful, right?
Yes.
So I like this one. This one
And
is the best.
now it's your turn. Switch 2 boxes. I switched 3 boxes. You
So this
pick
is.
one,
Oh.
and now they go to mommy.
Thank you.
And now switch again. Mommy, don't do this to turn into like this. It will change.
So what should I do?
This.
So what should I do? What mommy gonna do?
You have to do is,
I gonna pick one?
yeah, pick one.
Up. This is for daddy. This. Oh.
Mommy,
Oh,
you have to switch this, but do not turn this into just like this, okay?
Okay. So, can I pick one again?
Oh yeah, you can
Oh, this
put
one.
anything if you want. It's my turn to choose.
Oh.
You switch. Mommy, you have to switch this, but do not turn.
Okay, I switch it. Okay.
Mommy, and to do this, and now we have to switch now of this. And now we have to switch now.
So which one you pick?
I think, well, looks so it looks more handsome. It looks like a rock star.
Oh, really?
So I do that, and they're going to be daddy.
This one's for daddy. Oh, it's not heavy for daddy. Let me see this one. Oh, a little bit heavy. Mommy, oh, it's heavy. I think there's a lot of chocolate. Why?
I can win.
It's
So small.
okay. So, this is mine and this is for?
I try again. Why you let's try again. Let's try again. You're the most happiest. This goes to mommy. Mine. Which one is the most different? Just wait and try to find the difference. Find the difference, right? But you have to wait.
Oops.
But it's not finished. This is only a quiz. This one is happier.
I think. Oh, heavier. This is heavy. Among 3.
That one's split.
So
Now it's your turn.
can I pick one?
Oh yes, choose the difference.
More heavy. I think this is mine. Heavy. Look. Oh.
It's too heavy.
Yeah, I think a lot of chocolate. So this is mine. Okay, thank you.
This one. This one.
Oh, this one is heavy than this one. So I picked this one.
And now, what's else with in my own? This one is the happiest.
Ah, really?
It's a little bit happier.
Yes.
This one is the most, is it happier?
No, not really.
it's really not heavier.
Yes.
Then I would like this. I choose the not heavy one.
Oh, which one? Let me see.
What one is the not heavy?
I think this one. Aja? What
It
do
looks like a little bit of many chocolates.
Yes.
Then I choose this. Little bit of chocolate.
Guys.
That is the heaviest.
Yes. Guys, ito yung aming pinamili sa Daiso. Itong sombrero, tig chonon-chonon. Mga chonon, ayan, chonon lang to guys, 50 pesos. Ito medyo 3,000 to eh. Wala na kasi ginamit na to ni Baby Talk. And next, ang dami namin pinamili guys. Of course, is this mine? Iglo to guys, to ichonon. Oh, guys, look at me. Is this mine?
No, that's mine.
Tapos ito yung ni Baby Talk, pinggan niya pag nag-Halloween na. Binilhan siya namin na ito.
That's a pumpkin. That goes to mine.
So, binilhan ako ng asawa ko guys. Sabi niya, ganyan din, ganito rin daw ako. Paladalawa daw kami ng anak ko. Kasi ito yung sa anak ko, binuksan niya na nung pumunta yung halabuji na. Ito siya guys. So, yung sa anak ko, yung akin naman is purple. Sa kanya is golden. See? And then, of course, bumili kami ng ganire. Ayan. Tig 3,000 ang isa nito guys. Ang mahal. 150 pesos. Patago ko lang ito para siya. Sayang. At bumili kami ng cover ng table. Binuksan ni Baby Tot. Ayan siya guys. Parang naka-lace siya na parang Spider-Man na may mga spider. So, see you on Halloween. Mag-decorate kami ng konti-konti lang. Mga happy lang ang video namin. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa channel namin, please subscribe my channel and please click the bell button para updated kayo sa aming mga video. Thank you for watching, guys.
Don't forget the bell.
Oh, don't forget the bell to ting! What the?